Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D model of pipe coil in Autodesk Inventor software. Here you can see two endpoints. This is the inlet and this is outlet of this coil. From front this will look like this. Okay, so it is a coil of three vertical lines. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select 2D sketch and we'll select the XZ plane. This will be the top plane. Rotate the axis. Go to line command. From this center point make a vertical line of 350. Okay. Zoom in. Now here give a dimension of 80, the horizontal dimension. Now drag it upwards and take a dimension of 350. Similarly here dimension 80 and here dimension 350. Okay, and escape. Now this is the basic pipe. Now we will draw the end bends. So go to arc command and select 3-point arc. Select this point and select this point. Now you can see here a radius of 40. It will be by default taken by the software. Similar this point and this point, and drag upward 40 radius. Escape. Now select this line and make it a construction geometry. Similarly select this line, make it construction. Okay, now finish sketch, rotate this view. Now here we will draw the pipe profile. First go to plane, select this point and select this line. We are going to construct a new plane. Select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate it. Here first go to project geometry and project this point. Okay, this will be the reference point to start the sketching. Now go to circle command. From this center point make a circle of diameter 23. Now go to offset, select this circle, drag inside, enter and take an offset of 2 mm. Okay, escape. Now you can see the miscellaneous figure. Double click, write 2 again and okay. Now finish sketch and from here go to sweep command, select this inner profile, go to path and select this path. Okay, and okay. Now from here we will select this rectangular pattern, select this whole profile, go to direction 1. You can see here the axis will be the x-axis for rectangular pattern. So go to origin, select the x-axis as path and here count will be of 3 and the center to center distance of 160 mm. Okay, and okay. Now this is the bottom. Now we will make the vertical profiles above it. So go to rectangular pattern once again. This time we will select whole profile, go to direction 1. Now you can see the y-axis is the vertical axis. So go to y-axis as pattern path, and this time we will take 80 as center to center distance and here a count of 3 and okay. Okay, now you can see this is the final profile. Now we will construct the bend profiles over here. Okay, so this will be the outlet. here will be the bend profile, and here this will be the bend profile. You can see this is the outlet, here bend and here a bend. Okay, now to make the bend profile, we'll go to axis, construct an axis over here, and with reference to this axis we'll construct a plane. Go to plane, from here select YZ plane and select this axis. Now it will ask you the angle of rotation you want with plane. We want a 0-degree plane, and okay, so this will be the new plane. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view, select this edge. Okay, now go to project geometry, project this circle and project this circle. Okay, now from here select 3-point arc and select this center point and this center point, and here give arc radius as 40. Okay, escape. Now select this line, make it construction, select this line, make it construction. Now finish sketch. Similarly we will do this side. This side we will select these two for bending. You can see bending over here. So for this select YZ plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view, go to project geometry, select this circle, similarly select this circle, escape, drag it, select both the lines and make them construction geometry. Okay, now go to arc and select 3-point arc, select this center point and select this center point, give a radius of 40 and escape. Now finish sketch. Now we will make the pipe profile. Select this face, go to create sketch. Now go to project geometry, again select this face, it will project both the circles, finish, and from here go to sweep, select this profile and the path here will be this, take here join and okay. Similarly we will do that side also. Select this face, create sketch. Now go to project geometry, project both the circles, finish sketch, go to sweep command, select inner profile, go to path and select this path, take join and okay. Now we want to extend these pipes. First select this and hide, right click, turn off the visibility. Similarly select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Now we want to extend these pipes without any sketch. So for that we'll go here to direct editing, select this face, select this arrow and drag it outside, and here give a distance of 150 mm and okay. Now click on this cross, rotate the view. Similarly we will do this side, go to direct edit, select this face, drag this arrow outward and give a distance 150 mm and enter. Okay, escape. So this will be the profile. Now you can assign it a color. So from here you will give it a metal 1600F hot. Okay, it is looking like copper pipe. So this was the final command. So this all was for today. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.